Hi, this is Russell Murray from Delaware Business Incorporators. In today's video, I wanted to talk about our utility bill for address verification service. Since September 3rd, 1986, we've been helping entrepreneurs, startup investors, attorneys, CPAs, and management consultants form Delaware Limited liability companies and corporations. One of the things that make us unique is that we offer people business solutions to their problems. We are small enough and flexible enough to craft solutions to our customers' request. In addition to our utility formation services, we also offer Delaware virtual offices with unique suite or PMB numbers, scan forward of mail, physical mail forwarding, Delaware registered agent services, and most recently, our Delaware phone number or internet service with utility bill proof. When you subscribe to one of our Delaware virtual office services and become one of our tenants, we can have installed a Delaware phone line or internet line at our office location. Both of these utility bill types are on a month-to-month basis and can be canceled with 60 days notice. We also can offer a USA phone number with utility bill proof if you're incorporated in another state. This is how it works. Once you place your order with us, we'll place the order with the utility company using your company name and our address with a unique suite or private mailbox that we've issued to your company. A United States Postal Service Form 1583 will be required since you're using our address. Once our utility company gets the order from us, they will be in touch with you with a series of emails and paperwork that you will need to sign. These can be signed electronically. Once the utility bill service is set up, an invoice will be mailed to your company at the address we issued to you. We will scan and email that invoice to you as soon as we receive it. Our prospects and clients tell us that many of the major e-commerce platforms require utility bill address verification. The services that we offer fit in perfect for this requirement. While we cannot make any guarantees, our clients have not indicated to us that our address was not acceptable. Since many business people work from their homes or travel extensively now, a Delaware virtual office with suite number is a perfect solution. Your phone calls and mail can follow you wherever you go. So if you'd like more information about either our Delaware phone number with area code and with utility bill proof, or the USA phone number with utility bill proof, get in touch with us and we'll be happy to set that up for you. We also have our internet service if you want something that is a little bit more substantial than the phone number service. So thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please get in touch with us.